Hey guys, what's up? This is Cliff Kennedy with CT Web Design Tutorials, and in this tutorial we are going to continue our series in Adobe XD Design to Development. In this tutorial we are going to build out the desktop portion of this landing page, and we will get moving. So first off, we are going to create an artboard like so. We're going to use a 1920. So we click that, then we're going to change the name to desktop, and then we're going to copy all of this from right here and just paste it on this artboard and then rearrange it. So there we go. So let's see, it shouldn't need, there we go. So we're going to click in here like this. We're going to pull this over and drag it in like so, like that. We're going to pull it up a little bit. Then we're going to bring this in, drag it over like that, and just grab the logo, bring it where we can see it. We're gonna grab, I'm gonna show you how to clip an image in Adobe XD. So first off we'll drag an image over like this, and first off I'm gonna move this out of the way. Alright, I'm going to ungroup everything, and then we'll group it back together once we're done. So there we go, we ungrouped it, and we're going to pull this down like so and move all our text over here, everything like that, and we're gonna clip this image. So like this, we're gonna copy it all, object, make shape. Yeah, there you go. So it's actually, you can click in here, move this shape around and everything. So that's kind of cool. Another cool way to make a shape and clip an image, and I like the way that's looking. So we're gonna bring this back up here, the overlay back up here like that. We're gonna bring I need to pull the grid in, and gonna move the logo like so. There we go, got all of it back, made it a little bigger. Gonna delete this one like that, and then we're going to bring we're going to do the navigation next. So we'll come over here, and I'm going to use the repeat grid tool for this. So I'm actually going to come over here and just grab this, and come over here, paste it like that. And I'll put it right here, and we're gonna change the font to that's 34 now. We're gonna change it to 20. So there we go. Pull that down like that, and Then we're going to use the repeat grid tool. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So going to 1, 2, 3. There's 5 right there. Okay. And it looks like a humongous navigation, but it's actually not going to be, because right now I'm actually going to ungroup these, ungroup them, so that way we can change them around. So this one is going to be about the app. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep them all apart. There we go. So there we go. And we are finished with the top part. I'm looking at this now, and I might move this down just to center it up. There we go. A little bit. And next we're going to make this bigger. Pull it down like so. You can barely see the grid, which is good. And so next we're going to... Alright, we're going to grab all this right here. Which, of course, is locked. That's a good thing. And then we're going to copy it out like so. We'll click on this artboard and paste it. And group it. Actually, before we start everything else, we're going to group all this just to keep it in order. I'm going to call it header. There we go. And now we are going to pull this out. Actually, yeah. We're also going to clip this guy too, so I'm actually going to bring a little clip right here, and then I'm going to take this guy and press shift and hopefully grab that. If not, we're just gonna move this guy up here. Highlight both of them. Go to edit and actually object, make shape. There we go. So why did everything disappear? Uh-oh, because it's all in one group. These guys need to be ungrouped. Ungrouped. There we go. Now we can bring this guy up here and group him with another one. just gonna cut his feet off like so. Alright, so I masked it, and now I'm going to rearrange this stuff. So, gonna bring this over here, align it. I want to make sure this and this is equal, so I'm gonna create a box of 50 pixels high. So we're gonna draw a box right here. Actually, we are gonna make it 100. Guys, I kind of like 100, so I'm gonna come over here, make it 100. Pull this up till we get there. There we go. What it's all about. So we're gonna bring this over here, like that, and then bring this over here. Gonna bring it out to probably 6, I think. Yep, like that. We're gonna left align it like so. And bring this up. Put this over here like that. And we're gonna bring this over. There we go. So I'm gonna bring this down like this. And then we're gonna bring this bad boy up. So it should be, it looks a little uneven right here, but that's because of this right here. So I'm gonna fix this, but I'm gonna bring this down. And now we're gonna have the app features. So we're gonna copy all this. Control C. I'm gonna ungroup this too. Gotta make sure it's lined up. There we go. And right here we're gonna line all these up, but we're gonna make them 3 across and not 2. So on desktop, so we're gonna ungroup it all. Ungroup. There we go. And then we're gonna bring this one over to here. We're gonna rearrange all of these, so see if you do that, it stretches it. So we have to do each one of them separate. So there we go. Last one. There we go. See, I did it again. There we go. I think this whole thing needs to come down just a tad. There it goes. It wouldn't line up for some reason. That was weird. So now we finished this. I'm gonna bring this over to line this up. Yep. And then we're gonna bring this down. Perfect. It's all gonna be 100 pixels. This needs to come in a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now this needs to come in. Come zoom out, and then we're gonna grab this. We gotta unlock it, copy it, paste it, and then for this, we're gonna ungroup it again. But I need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna group this. There we go. And then bring it all. There we go. That's what I want right there. But for this, I'm gonna give it a lot more padding. I think I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger so we can see everything. And bring him in. Actually, oh man. I think I ungrouped this one. Yeah, I want to keep that one as a group. So but we got to bring him up. There we go. Gonna bring this to the front because this is our padding. So there we go. Right. And then we're gonna bring this down and zoom out a little bit. So this is not a lot of text. So just for the sake of having more text, 2 paragraphs. There we go. And we're just going to use that. I'm going to take this play button and stick it right there. And that's got a little bit more padding than, but I want people to see this section, so I think I am actually gonna bring this up because it doesn't need to be that much. So gonna bring that up like that, maybe even a little more. Yeah, kind of like that. Alright, so on to the next section. See how quick and easy you can do this once you start mobile first. It's just really easy to copy and paste and rearrange. So next is the screens. So we're going to unlock it, copy, bring it over here, paste it. There we go. Gonna ungroup it. Move this bad boy right here to the center. And then take this one, bring it all the way over here. And we're gonna make them bigger because we're gonna make them take up 3 columns. So I think actually all these are grouped too. So we're gonna ungroup these because I'm gonna pull these two over here. There we go. So this should be pretty easy. Pretty easy. Oh. And then pull this one. Zoom in a little bit. So, gonna rearrange these like we're doing. There we go. There. So that section's done. And look, that was pretty easy, y'all. Not gonna lie. It's one of the more easy sections. So last is this download section in the footer. And I'm gonna pretty much do all this together. And we will unlock this one and unlock this one. And we will, I don't want to group it. We'll copy. You can always do Control C too. I'm gonna paste this bad boy over here. I'm probably gonna have to make the artboard bigger. So we're gonna come down to right there. Gonna bring all of this here. There we go. And I'm gonna make these guys bigger. Whoop. So gonna make them bigger. There we go. And then we're gonna rearrange these buttons to be side by side, and make this text a little bit longer. So we're gonna bring this text out to right here, and we're gonna keep it centered because I like it centered. It's kind of nice. And we're gonna have this button here. Yep. And then this button here. And line them up like so. Bring these guys up a little bit. And we're pretty much done with that section. See, it's easy, guys. Once you do this, I'll repeat it again. Once you do this mobile first, and you have all the designs mobile first, it's so easy to just drag and drop and rearrange. This is going to sit on the footer. Then we're going to put the copyright. I have to ungroup these. So we're going to, are they not ungrouped? Ungroup. There. I grouped them too many times. And this needs to come all the way to the edge. Stopped it at the grid for some reason. So this is gonna come all the way over here. This is gonna come over here, and then these guys are gonna get in the center. And I'm gonna make them bigger. Just a tad. Just a tad. And there, so I mean that's pretty much it. So we're gonna do the pop-up desktop part, which would be this right here is what we're going to do next. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another artboard, 1920. I'm going to drag it, and drag this artboard down right here, right beside the pop-up. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Can delete this because we don't need it now. So now I have these three sections grouped separately. So I'm going to copy them. Copy. Gonna put this right here. Hit paste. I'm gonna line these up. Kinda close. There we go. Now I'm gonna take this. Pretty much I'm gonna take these. And I'm gonna copy. And then I'm gonna paste. And I'm gonna take all of this. It's gonna be an overlay, like we did on our desktop. This is gonna come to the center, and it's just gonna get, we're just gonna make it bigger. Gonna keep this smaller, so we don't want that to be big, so I'm gonna take it back to 20. And then pull it down. And there you go. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this was a pretty short tutorial, I think. So we're gonna name this watch video. And except I'm gonna name it desktop watch video. And I think we're pretty much done, guys. I mean, we got this. We got the watch screen. We have the desktop, or the navigation, which covers this. We've covered this, and we've covered this whole area right here. So I mean, that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope y'all like this. I hope you're getting a lot out of these tutorials, because I'm having so much fun doing them. If you really liked it, please subscribe. That would be awesome. And this is Cliff Kennedy with CT Web Design Shop. And I just want to tell you, from my corner of the internet to yours, have a blessed rest of your afternoon.